Hey guys, it's Jasmine here and I'm back with another video for you guys. So I'm so sorry that this is my first video of the new year and I have been gone because my memory card was just crazy. Something happened. I ordered a new one from Amazon. Amazon just kept, I don't know what was happening, but anyways, I just recently got the memory card, so now I'm back. And I hope you guys had a wonderful bringing in, wait, does that make sense? I hope you guys brought in the new year amazingly. I hope you guys are having a great start to the new year, and I hope you're doing everything that you wanted to do this year, being a better you and all of that such. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I truly appreciate you guys and I love you guys so much, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys another year. So anyways, today I'm bringing you a review video of some hair that I've been wearing for a while now. I just got a new set and I have been wearing these clip-ins, the new set for like maybe 3 weeks now. Also, but before now, I have worked with this company in the past, like maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and I absolutely love their clip-ins. I will link the video I did with them below. Like years ago, and it was amazing. I just love these clip-ins. They are my favorite clip-ins that I've ever tried. Like, I absolutely love this hair. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the company that I'm going to be working with, and of course this is my hair currently. I don't have on any clip-ins. I'm going to show you how my hair looks. I want you guys to see. Then I'm going to show you guys the clip-ins, and then I'll clip them in and I'll show you the style that I normally do, which is just curls. But anyways, the company is BetterLength. Janelle, no, sit instead. The company is called BetterLength, and it says hair for black women. So these are textured clip-ins. I think I have lipstick on my teeth. So these are textured clip-ins that are supposed to mimic natural African American hair or relaxed African American hair or anything along those lines. They do have curly textures. They have like the coarse yaki. They have like textures that mimic like straight hair, like African American straight hair like mine, or relaxed African American hair. So it's a pretty cool brand. I love these. These are like my go-to for when I'm going out. I don't really wear them on an everyday basis. I normally wear them whenever I'm going out or want to have some longer hair quickly. And yeah, so this is how they come. They come shipped DHL if I'm remembering correctly, and this is the bag that they come in. Cute little bag that you can store it in. I love it. It has BetterLength on the bag. Before they came in like the little black box, which I loved, and it had this pink ribbon on it. Love that box. I still have one actually, but now they come in this bag. So I got the coarse yaki texture and I got 16 inches, and they retail for $179 for the 16-inch. The longer the inch you get, of course it's more, but $179 for all of this hair you get is pretty awesome. So I'm taking it out the bag, and these are from me curling them last. So they don't come this curly, they come just straight like this, but mine does have a little texture because I wore them curled last time. So when you get them, they come bundled up really nice with these little bands around it. Really great packaging, really nice presentation. And yeah, so these are the clip-ins. Do you see how much hair this looks like? Like, guys, this is a lot of hair. Like, it's a lot. Like, it's pretty freaking awesome, like how much hair you get for $179 and how full. Like, people either think this is my natural hair, or people that know me think I've gotten to sew it, and they're like, girl, wasn't your hair just didn't you just have your natural hair? And I'm like, yeah, but these are clip-ins. They're like, oh my god. And then people literally have asked me, how did I get my hair so long? Like, how did I grow my hair? And I'm like, girl, these are clip-ins. But so yeah, this texture is the coarse yaki. So it has like a really coarse texture. I also have the coarse straight, I believe, or yaki straight, and that's like a straighter texture. I have wore those in a video recently. I'll link that video down below too. It was just when I had the really long straight hair. But so this has like a texture to it, and I do have the jet black, so you can get them in like 1B, 1 jet black, 2 And you can also dye these if you needed to, or color them. So I chose to get the coarse ones because when I'm out and about and I'm in a club or something, or at a lounge, my hair puffs up super quickly. So these are like my natural hair. Like if my hair puffs up, these are puffing up with it. Like honestly, I love these clip-ins. So I'm gonna get up close so I can kind of show you guys the texture. So these feel like natural African American hair. They aren't like super soft, so that's good in my opinion, because super soft hair just doesn't match natural texture hair. For if you're going to be wearing clip-ins, you need something that's going to match your texture really well. So they feel coarse, like, and like the straight ones I have, they feel softer. These coarse ones, they feel coarse. But anyways, let me see if I can get you guys to see the texture of them. This is the texture. Really nice. And these are straightened a little bit, so they aren't as coarse looking as they are when they first come to you, but you can straighten these out and they get coarser, and they can get straighter. And you can see I'm running my fingers through with no problem, running my fingers through it, no problem, running my fingers through it, no problem. And then I'm going to show you guys a close-up of the wefts, which I love. They are very well made. They are double wefted, which is awesome. So these are the wefts. They are made like amazing, very sturdy. The clips are sewn on very well. And I just freaking love them. Like, this is made to like perfection. Very sturdy. So those are the clip-ins. All in all, I absolutely love them. If I wasn't being sent the clip-ins, I would purchase them myself, because that's how much I love them. Like if they ever don't want to work with me again and I need some clip-ins, I'm going to purchase them myself. And also the longevity of them are amazing. Like the ones that I wore, like the super straight ones, I'll try to put a picture here so you guys can see. Those, I've had those for like over 3 years, like maybe 2 or 3 years, and they still are perfect. I have another texture, I have another set that are coarse like this one, and they still are in great condition. Those I use for like when I'm doing buns now, because they're older, but they still are in great condition. Like over 2 years I've had them and they look amazing and still work just as great. You just have to make sure you shampoo them, condition them, just treat them like your own hair, and they will last you like a great amount of time. BetterLength, I give you your props. I give you your props. You guys are doing great. They are an Asian based company, I believe. Like they are in Asia or China or somewhere, I don't know, but an Asian country somewhere. They are awesome though. Like I absolutely love them. Also, I do have a coupon code for you guys. You guys can use code Jazmine, that's JAZMINE 415 for $5 off your any double wefted clip-ins they have. So it'll be Jazmine 415 for $5 off any set of double wefted extensions clip-ins. So I'll leave that on the screen, and it'll also be down below in the description box. And yeah, so now I'm gonna clip them in so you guys can see how they look, and then I'll probably curl them so you guys can see how I normally wear them. I'll also have a picture or two of how I normally wear them, and you guys can see that. So I'll be back. Okay, hey guys, and I'm back, and I have put the clip-ins in, and then I just added a little bit of texture. Like I don't like my hair to be super curly on a normal basis. I just like to add like a little wave, a little movement, and that's what I did. So this is the clip-ins in, and it literally looks like I have like a full sew-in or something. They are awesome. And then this side I just like to put behind my ear like so. And yeah, that's how they look. I love these clip-ins. They look natural, they look like hair, they don't look fake, and I just love them. These are my absolute faves. This is what it looks like. So yeah, that's basically it. I love these clip-ins. If you guys want to see a video of how I install them and how I like style them, I will do a video on that. Also, I will put pictures in this video of how I typically wear them. Like for New Year's Eve, I wore them half up, half down, and everybody loved this style. It was super cute, so I will put pictures in so you guys can see. But yeah, if you want like a styling video, just let me know, and I will be sure to do that for you guys. Love these clip-ins. Oh, also I forgot to mention, like in the pack, they give you an extra clip and a needle and thread, which is pretty freaking awesome. That's super sweet of them. Also, one of the clips I felt like it should have one extra clip in there because it was like a long one and it just had 2 clips, and I would have preferred it to have one extra clip. That was the only complaint I had. I just think it needed to have one extra clip, but I haven't sewed it on yet. But yeah, so they do give you an extra clip and a needle and thread, which is awesome. Love that. Also, these curls, in my experience, these clip-ins don't hold curl the best, at least for me, because I get super hot and sweaty when I'm like out and it's just super hot. So the curls always tend to fall pretty much for me. Like after I curl my whole head, they'll end up looking like this before the night is over with. So I would say, like, if you're going to wear curls, then to like pin the curls, like as you're curling your hair, pin it up so that it cools and it holds the curl a lot longer. But yeah, these are the clip-ins. I absolutely love them, and I think you guys should totally check them out if you're in the market for some new hair, some new clip-ins. I think this is definitely the best way to go. I am not sponsored by this video. I'm not sponsored by this company. They just send me their clip-ins. I'm not getting paid to make this video. These are my honest opinions and thoughts. Like I said, I have been working with this company for over 2 or 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. I think my first video was like in 2015. Oh yeah, so it's been like a long time. A long time. But yeah, I love them. This shirt just keeps riding up. But yeah, so like I said, if you guys want to see how I clip them in and curl or style or do a style with them, just let me know and I will definitely do a video for that. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. I would love if you guys join the Bella Squad, and also if you turn on the notification bell, you can be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video from me. And give this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend, a family member, husband, wife, someone, and I would truly appreciate it. Thanks guys. Bye.